If you too have been waiting for a great smartphone from Samsung for a long time, which is very cheap in price, but has excellent features, then today we have brought one such great smartphone for you. Actually, Samsung is going to launch Galaxy Alpha Pro 5G as the successor of its Alpha series. In this great smartphone of Samsung, you are going to get Exynos 2400 processor with 144 megapixel DSLR camera. In today's video, we will give information about the full features, price, and launch date of this phone. So let's get started. Features of Samsung Galaxy Alpha Pro 5G. In this smartphone you are going to see a 6.90-inch Super AMOLED display in this great smartphone, which can come with 2K resolution, HDR10+, and 4000 nits peak brightness. Apart from this, you will also get to see 144 Hz refresh rate, Gorilla Glass 3 protection, in-display fingerprint sensor, and IP69 rating. Camera setup. According to the leaks, Samsung's this smartphone can give tough competition to the iPhone. You will be given a setup of triple cameras in the rear, in which 144 megapixel primary sensor will be provided, with OIS support. Apart from this, a 50 megapixel telephoto sensor, and 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens can be seen. And it is being said that, in the front you will get to see a 32 megapixel front-facing camera. Processor, in which you can see Samsung Exynos 2400 chipset, which is a very fast processor. And if we talk about the operating system, you will get to see Android 15 in it. Battery backup. Talking about battery backup, you can get a powerful battery of 7000 mAh in it, which will come with 90-watt fast charging support. Price or launch date. Lastly, if we talk about the price, no official information has been received about it till now. But according to leaks, its price can be around $600. And it can be introduced by the end of 2025.